Hey guys, I wanted to show you 5 things that I have for sale. These are things that I have made myself using wood. Some of them are wood burned items, and I do put hardware on all of my items. So before we get into the things that I'm going to show you, I wanted to give you an update, a tiny update about my health. Some of you know that I am battling leukemia. I have what's called CML. It's chronic myelocytic leukemia. I'll have it for the rest of my life. It's not as bad as other leukemias such as AML and other ones. You know, there's about 9 different kinds at least. But I am doing pretty well. I'm quarantined, like I'm not going out anywhere. My husband does the shopping, my sons do the shopping, which I appreciate them so much. They've been so supportive. But I'm hanging in there. Thank you for your thoughts and your prayers and your notes and emails. I do appreciate it. So I do ask if you are interested in any of the things in this video, please wait until the end of the video so you can see everything. And all of the prices that I have on the links include shipping. So if you see something and you're like, oh, that seems like I'm not sure about it, and then the shipping is included. So that will give you a little bit more peace of mind. Also, the things that I'm selling are for US residents. I have decided that right now is not the best time to mail anything outside of the US. So I did want to put that disclaimer in. So the first thing I have is something that I made. It is a dog leash holder. This one holds 1 leash, although you could put 2 if you wanted to, you know, 1 here and 1 there. It's really sturdy. It's not going anywhere. I did put hardware on the back so you can hang it up. And it's black and white, so it goes with mostly anything in your house, like in the entryway. So I like it a lot. So let me always walk beside you. This particular item is $26. Like I said, the shipping is included, so that's not a bad deal. So if you're interested in buying this, check the link below. So the second item that I have for sale is a really cute farm sign. Where I live in Virginia, there's a lot of people that have chickens and farms. Even in the city, they have chickens and ducks and all kinds of stuff. So I might even get chickens one day. I don't know. We'll see. I'm still doing research. So this says the old farmhouse, and it's got a chicken and a rooster. I thought that was cute. And then it says family. I'm sorry, switched them out. Faith, family, and farm. I don't have hardware on this yet, but I will put some hardware on there for you. The price is $24 and the shipping is included. Okay, for the third item that I have for sale is this cute camping sign. We have a lot of people around our area that camp, and I thought one day, I said, I should make a camping sign. So it is wood burned. I did wood burn the letters here and then applied vinyl. And it comes with this cute hanging rope. So I thought that was kind of cute. Let me see if I can show it good. This is a long sign. It's 19 by 7. So it is kind of long. The price is $22. And like I said earlier, again, the shipping is included. So that's $22. The fourth thing I have for sale is kind of weird. It's kind of like a knick-knack kind of thing, but it's funny. This is one of the first things I actually made with my Cricut Maker, but it is a cute little 2-sided wood sign. It says, e-learning in progress. I thought that was kind of cute. You can, put it on a kid's desk or even your own desk, if you're a teacher. So this is a great gift for anyone, that's in school or whatever. And then on the other side, it says break time. So if a kid is, it's maybe, doing homework, you can jump up by his desk and just twist it around and say, okay, it's break time. This particular item is $12 and the shipping is included. So if you're interested in this, just see the link after the video. See the link below. Sorry. And the fifth and last item that I have for sale this week is called, it's about the same one that I showed you earlier, but this particular one has 2 hooks. So you could put 4 leashes if you have that many dogs on each hook, or you can just put 1 leash on it. But this particular item is $30, shipping included. It does have hardware, so it's not going anywhere. And it says the same thing, let me always walk beside you. I thought that was really nice. It's really sturdy, it's kind of heavy. I don't know how much it weighs, but I'm sure it weighs about a pound. So it's not going anywhere. If you put heavy things on it, it's really good. But this one is $30. And I will have all the links to these items below in the description. And I'm gonna do this kind of video maybe once every, I don't know, maybe once a week, I'm not sure. But, or maybe once every 2 weeks, it doesn't matter. But I will do 5 things so you can see some of the items that I sell. It is very appreciative. My husband is very appreciative too, because I use what he can't use. I like to repurpose wood and things like that, and I do all the varnishing and the painting. I even put the hardware. He did help me put this on there because I was like, oh, you got to show me how to do that. But it's really cute. So thank you for watching, and subscribe if you would like. My channel is basically about wood burning and all of my vinyl projects. Once in a while I'll put weird stuff on there, but I'm weird, right? Everybody's weird in some way. But have a great day, and God bless.